Hi everyone and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. I'm Sandra and it is nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we are going to have a closer look on the yoga pose Anantasana. And what you need for today's practice is just your mat, good intentions as always, and then I would say let's get on our mat and let's practice. So you lay down on the left side of your trunk and make sure that the whole body is one line. So bring the left ankle down and the left outer foot. So you're not rolling back on your pelvis, very important. And you bend the right knee, and the movement is without yet grabbing the big toe, is bringing the knee and the toes up. So it is this movement that you do. No rolling back of your pelvis. With the middle finger and the index finger, you grab your right big toe and then you do that movement, knee and toes up, and your body is still one line. And your right arm leans against your right knee just to make sure that when you elongate this leg, that the knee is not coming in. It's not coming in. It stays out until you lengthen and the right sitting bone is pointing to your left heel and the whole body is still one line. The body is in one line. And then you bring the leg down. You bend the knee. You grab with your index finger and middle finger. And then you turn knee and toes up. No rolling back on the pelvis. And then you lengthen the leg. Sitting bone in direction heel. So it's the left sitting bone in direction right heel. And you're still, your whole body is still one line. So your body is still one line. No rolling back on the pelvis. Yes, like always, I hope that this little insight of mine gave you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. If so, please like my video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be back again next week with more insights. I hope you do the same. Until next week, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.